Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be doing a get ready with me / everyday makeup / like chit chat, because like in my first two videos that I made, I've never really like introduced myself or talked about, like, I don't know, you just don't know anything about me. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I don't wear makeup every day, but I have a meeting and then I have errands to run today, so I want to look presentable. So first I'm using my Too Faced Hangover Primer, this one, and I'm just gonna put that on my face, and then I'm gonna blend it out with like a beauty blender sponge thing. So I want to talk about why I started YouTube or making videos now. There's a few reasons. One, first of all, if you've looked at my channel before, you've seen that I have one video from 4 years ago. And I started making YouTube videos about 4 years ago. I have one other one, but it's on private because it's too embarrassing to have in the public. So I started making videos 4 years ago, and they were just like makeup, whatever videos, and I got made fun of a lot in school. So I stopped. I'm using the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer in porcelain. So I stopped making them, and ever since then I've just been like envious of the people on YouTube, and I've made like vlogs to because I don't know, I've just always wanted to do it, and I don't know, I feel like I have the confidence now to be able to do it. So that is why we are here today. I graduated high school in May, and I am not going to school this year. I'm going next year, but I'm taking a gap year this year, and I'm living at home, and I'm working, and I'm doing an internship. So that is why I'm still home, and I'm doing this because I had such like a bad year last year with medical issues, and I just wanted to let my body like rest, and I wasn't really ready for school. Like, I didn't have like as much time as I would like to be able to apply to the schools I wanted to go to. So that is what I'm doing now, applying to schools mainly on the West Coast and Southwest is where I want to end up eventually. I'm going to take Hello Fab, it's First Aid Beauty concealer, and this has like avocado oil in it or something, I don't know, but it goes on very smooth, so I like it a lot. And I just use this under my eyes because I have very bad dark circles because I don't sleep at night. And then I have a few pimples on my chin, and then I have just a spot over here and just there. And then I'm just gonna blend that out with my beauty blender again. And now I'm gonna do eyeshadow. So I don't know when this video is going up, probably, I don't know, in like a few days or something. But the video I have going up after this one is very exciting. So stay tuned for that. At least I don't know if excited, but I'm very excited. So, subscribe if you want to see that. And then for my eyes, I'm going to be going in with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot just as a primer. This is just like what it looks like. It's just like a pinkish color. These are not oily, which is really nice, and they're very sticky, so your eyeshadow definitely sticks to it. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And then I'm going to use my James Charles Morphe palette for my eyes, and I'm just going to do like a yellowish, orangish eyeshadow look today. So first I have these two brushes that I'm going to use. First I'm going to use this one. I think it's, yeah, Sigma Precision Round, I don't know. And I'm just going to take like the yellowish color in the middle, like the big round one, and I just kind of put that in my crease slash all over. I'm very messy with this. You can just, I don't know, it doesn't really matter because we're going to go over it. And then just do that on the other eye. It's not for me to say you love. I don't know what changed in me, but I feel a lot more comfortable in front of the camera now than like my last two videos. If you watch my last two videos, you could see, well, I'm still doing it, but I was touching my hair a lot and I was saying a lot. I don't know, something switched. Next, I'm gonna take the one right next to the yellow. It's like a burnt orange color, and I'm just gonna put that on top of the yellow and in the crease. So there's that. It looks a little crazy right now, but I promise it'll turn out good. And then just do it on the other side as well. And I just like to bring it in a little on the corner and a little bit into like the middle of my eyelid. And just make sure you blend it out well. And then I'm going to take the other side of this brush. It's two-sided. I'm going to take the flat side and just go back in with the yellow. And then I'm going to just go over in like the rest of my eyelid, just go over the orange. And then after that, you just want to blend it out. It's not for me to say. I'm gonna blend it out using the same brush that I used for the orange. So that's what that looks like. I think I like it. And now we are going to do, I don't do eyeliner. I like to use like an eyeliner brush, and then I do black eyeshadow, so it's not as, it's a little more subtle. So I'm just going to use the same James Charles palette and dip it into the black color, and then I just go as close to my lash line as I can, and I don't go all the way to my inner corner, but I just make it like a thin line. I don't know if you can tell, probably not, but it just makes your eyelashes look a lot thicker when you put on mascara, so that's why I like it. And then the other eye is tricky because I'm a lefty. Oh God. Okay, that looks okay. And now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. So I just use like this old, I don't know, whatever curler, and then I like the L'Oreal. I don't know. This is what the bottle looks like. It's waterproof, so that's why I like it. And then I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. I hate doing this. Half the time I don't even curl my eyelashes because it just makes me nervous. It reminds me of that girl that went like viral like a few years ago who was curling her hair and then it all burnt off. That's like my worst fear. So then I'm just gonna do my mascara. Sometimes I'll put on fake eyelashes. These are the ones I use. The Ardell 110 natural ones. I really like these. They're very natural. I wore them in my last 2 videos, but I don't feel like doing them today, so I'm not. I've also been wearing them more, like not in public, but just more like at home because I'm trying to practice getting better at putting them on. So I've made definite improvements for sure. And then once I do my mascara, I like to take the tip of the wand and then go like at the ends and kind of just brush up the ends of the eyelashes. It gives like more like a cat eye effect. So that's what I'm doing now. I just put myself in the eye. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And then I'm going to do bronzer and highlighter. So I'm gonna use the Hoola caramel one because the regular one's too dark for me. I don't like using the brush it comes with. I just keep it in there, but I don't really like using it. I use this one from e.l.f. It's just a contouring brush, and then I'm just gonna dip it in there and tap it off because I don't want that much. Oh, that is dark. Oh my god, I put too much on. No, we really gotta blend. We really gotta blend it out. Shoot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just going over it. We're gonna redo that. I'm going over it with the foundation. Oh my god. Yeah, that was definitely way too much. Okay, we're gonna try it. Did it even get off? Kind of. We're gonna try that again. Oh my god. Okay. Gotta make sure you tap it off. Oh my god, I'm nervous now. What the hell? Okay, that's a lot better. Oh my god. Again, what the hell? Okay, I think we can fix this side. Yeah. Okay, and then after I do my cheekbones, I like to go in at like my temples just to make me seem a little bit tanner than I actually am. And then I just blend it out into my hairline so it looks more natural, like that. And then for highlighter, I'm going to take this palette, MAC palette that I have. It's the Hyper Real Glow, and it has 3 colors. I like the middle one the best. And I'm going to use the Sigma highlighter brush, and I'm just gonna put some on there. This is like very bright, so I just do it on my cheekbones and then up the sides of my temples. And then again, you can see it. Oh my god. do my eyebrows. Right now my eyebrows are kind of bushy. I'm getting them done tomorrow. But I'm going to do my lips. So I'm just going to put on some chapstick first. And then I like to either use... Okay. I like to either use the Lippy Stick by ColourPop in the color Westie, or the Pretty and Punk MAC lip gloss in God Save Us Sheen. I don't know. I think I'm gonna use this one today, the lip gloss. It's just like a nice pink glittery. I don't know. I think it's really pretty. So I'm just gonna put that on. That's what that looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. It's not for me to say you love